Hi guys, welcome back to a new episode of Crazy Gamer. Today in this video, I'm going to show you how you can play with friends on Bingo Blitz account. Keep watching the video till the end. To play with friends on Bingo Blitz, firstly go ahead and launch open your Bingo Blitz application. The homepage of Bingo application will appear on the screen. Click on cat icon at the bottom left corner of the page. On the next page, click on Play with Friends option. You can either add, request or invite friends to play with you. Here I'm gonna go with invitation. Click on invite. Choose a medium to invite friends and tap on it. On the next page, click on send. Once they accept your invitation, you'll be able to play with your friend on Bingo Blitz quickly and easily just in few steps. If you have any thoughts or queries, let us know in the comments section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Also, press the notification bell icon so that YouTube will notify you whenever we post a new video. I hope this video was helpful to you. Thank you so much for watching.